Hi guys, so today is Friday, August 7th, 2026. So today is the last trading day of the week, and I'm gonna look at how gold and Bitcoin are doing right now. So at first for gold, um, first of all, congratulations for those who have bought gold um, earlier during the sideways market earlier. So as stated in my previous videos, multiple previous videos, that I believe that um, gold has been mispriced, and we're gonna see some kind of rebounds later this year, and that is actually the case as we have um, the breakout on Wednesday, August 5th. And that is my analysis going back to the similar pattern in 1980. So if we look at the 1980, so this is our daily chart right now, and this is the monthly chart. And we can see that this monthly chart is similar back in the 1980 when we had a parabolic move that we got the gold price going up like crazy from around 200 to 875, and then we have a strong sell-off or like blow up top, and then pulling back to 455, and then we have a month of like moving sideways. That is the April 1980, and then the subsequent month we have a rebounds like this. So from 450 to September of 720 something. So we have 5 months of a bullish trend on gold. So that is my analysis, that I believe that gold would just follow the similar pattern back in the 1980. Going back to today, 2026, we can see that gold also having a strong uptrend, a bullish trend, like multi-year monthly bullish trend from around 2000 to 5600, and then we have a blow up top back to around 3940. So I believe that the coming months, the next coming months, around a few months, gold just having a mean reversion or bounce back, just like we had back in the 1980. So what are my levels? So for the weekly chart, my level is, the first one is the first immediate resistance level is this one, the 3380, when we have back in October 2025, we got a strong correction around 400 points correction, and then we also have the bounce back from we have a steep plunge from 5,600 to 4,400, and then at around this zone. So remember, this is a zone, not a specific price, but a zone, a resistance zone or resistant area. So we have the price pulling back to this resistance zone. Back then was the support zone. And then we also have the resistance area around here when we have the price encountering the resistance zone at around 33.80, and then having a strong sell-off. So my immediate resistance area is going to be a 43.80, but I would expect that for this bullish trend, for this weekly bullish trend, it will reach around 4,900, around here, or to around 5,000 level. So we can see that here we have the price reaching back to 4,900 level back in April 2026, and then it failed. And also, if it successfully breaks through this level, it's going to have to encounter a strong rounded number of 5,000. So this is my thesis, and we're going to have how it to see how it plays out in the coming weeks. But moving to Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, this is the weekly chart. Bitcoin is still trying to go out of the range of 62K and then 67K level, but still it's still stuck in this range. And unless Bitcoin close the week decisively above this 67K, my overall outlook for Bitcoin in the coming week is still slightly negative. If Bitcoin successfully breaks through the 800 level, I'm aiming for this level, 4,900 or 50K level, 49K or 50K level, which is the previous level that acting as a resistance level back in January 2024 and support level back in August 2024. So that's it for Bitcoin, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next session on Monday. Bye.